Can we see?
Yeah.
We're live? Okay. All right. Hello, everyone. And yes, hope you're all doing well. And first of all, happy Holi to everyone celebrating. It's been very long since we have been live here, almost, I think, 3 to 4 months. We've not been doing live. And we're just getting started again over here and being in a, you know, Holi, and we thought we'll just jump in, and then we have a lot of new people in our team joined us, and just wanted to say hi to everyone. And yeah, first of all, I would like to introduce myself again. I'm Supriya. I'm originally from India, currently residing in US for the past 15 years with my amazing family, with my husband and my 2 boys. And yes, I've been in the business for the past 2.5 years. And we have all our people here who have been in the business for the past more than 2 years, 15 months, and a couple of months and a few weeks. And just wanted to say hi to everybody and introduce ourselves and with our team over here. And thank you so much for everyone watching this. And with that, I would like to give it back to our team who would like to introduce themselves here. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Good morning, like good afternoon, and good evening, whoever is watching our live. This is our team. So we today I want to say like to everyone, happy Holi. Like whoever is celebrating, I wish everyone like full of colors, laughter, joy, and and whoever is celebrating now today. So quickly, I want to introduce myself. I'm Vasavi Tumala. I'm originally from India, and I'm living in California, USA. I have 2 boys and a very supportive husband. And I'm doing this business from the past 15 months, and I'm doing great. And especially, I want to say one message from my side. If you have a chance, if you have a chance to try something new, just try it. Why? Means you have a choice of taking your life like every day. You can have that choice. What can I do for myself? Being present with my kids, taking care of my family, and we have the flexibility here. Whoever can take the choices, whoever has the we no need to take the permission like every day. So I have made my own choice, and I'm doing this business from the past 15 months, and I'm doing great. So that's all. And I'm giving to my teammate. Okay. Yeah. Sudha, you can go ahead. Yeah.
Hi, everybody. This is Sudha from California. So I'm just everybody. First, I want to wish everyone happy Holi. May all the colors of Holi like bring joy and success to you and also to us in our business. Let me be selfish a bit. So I just joined the business 3 months ago, and I'm like quite happy about it. The main thing I love about the business is the community, the support, the mentorship, the coaching. Like they are just a hands away whenever we need it. Like they are just a ping away, a message away, or a call away. So that's I'm very happy about it. No job, in the world is like is like that. I mean, it's always a formal meeting. I'm an IT professional by profession, so it's always like a formal meeting, and you have to have a formal discussion, and then you come to next project execution or whatever, right? But here it's like they are your friends. Like they reach we can reach out to them like and ask questions if we are stuck somewhere in our business. That is the main thing. The community and the mindset shift I had is tremendous. Like in these 3 months I have observed myself, like um, thinking more positively and having mindful about my thoughts and whatever I say, that because it reflects in whatever things we do in our daily day-to-day activities, no matter, in the business or whatever we do. So that's a major thing I observed. And the time flexibility it gives, like, right, because I used to stuck with my 9 to 5 commute, and job priorities and everything, and my family time suffered a lot. Now I'm able to spend more time with my families, with my two daughters. They are happy about it, and I'm very happy about it. So I can go on and on and on about this. I think I need to pass it on to my next colleague, whoever want to. Is it Sunita or Sunita? You want
Yeah,
to?
whoever wants to go, okay.
Yeah.
Hi, hi everyone. First of all, wish you happy Holi, who are celebrating around the world. And this is Sunita. I'm staying in USA, California, with my lovely family. I used to work as a HR recruiter for so many months and years, and keep on changing my profession and working, which is comfort for me to handle both professionally as well as personally, so that I can be there to my family whenever they're needed. I have two beautiful daughters. I want to be there every time, and I don't want to miss their classes schedule and their school schedules and their meetings and their award ceremonies, everything. So I was looking for that platform where I can balance my career as well as my personal life. When I was searching online, I came across about this business, and I was initially I was skeptical to start the business as it is virtual, but I have got a wonderful mentor. I felt like very comfort and very convinced with her words, and I felt even when I was talking at the initially, I was like. Still thinking whether it is a better choice of leaving the other job and working on online, but later I felt like I did a very better decision and a good decision of my life. I just started 2 to 3 weeks back, and I felt very comfort environment. The training they provided in the business, step by step supportive process. It was felt me like again and again feeling like a better choice I have took for my life, and I still has to learn in this process. And there are wonderful team members which will always be there. If any question, anytime, any minute, they just respond immediately back. And looking forward to know more and be in this business further. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunita, for sharing that. And yeah, either Latika, Chandana, any one of you can go.
Yeah, I'll go.
Yeah,
So
sure.
my name is Latika. I have a 1-year-old daughter who's
I know.
sitting.
We are good.
So happy Holi, everyone, whoever is watching us live and whoever is celebrating it today. So I started this business. It's been almost like 2 years. My growth is slow, but I'm still learning. I have a wonderful team. My mentor, my coach, she's really good. She keeps on pushing me because it's 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 quite overwhelming to do something with an infant. I mean, I was happy with the go live today, the timing, because that is the time when my daughter sleeps. And I'm like, I will be having a nice, smooth meeting. But I think this is the beauty of this business that I'm attending a go live with my team, and I'm playing with my daughter. I'm sorry for the background noise.
That's fine.
But I think that the flexibility which we all get, like which the other team members mentioned, it's so important to have a balanced professional and personal life. So I'm not compromising with my daughter. I am totally enjoying the most valuable, precious time with her, and at the same time, I'm working on my business. So thank you so much. Thank you so much to everyone. Actually, uh, we all are helping each other, and I think like it says the team that works together grows together, builds together. So yeah, thank you so much.
Yes, thanks for sharing that, Latika. And yes, we have Chandana here.
Hi, I'm Chandana. I'm from Arkansas. First, I'm a proud mom of two, learning to balance family life and a big dream. I'm passionate about building something of my own and creating the better future for my children's. I may not have all the answers yet, but I'm determined. And this business, I can work. I like the flexibility. I can work anytime. So a quality time with my family. So I love about this job. Thank you to my coach Supriya.
Thank you so much, yeah, Chandana, for sharing your thoughts. And yes, it is so true. And we will have another um, our new member Swati here. Mm, Swati can go in. Yes. Yeah, Swati is here. Yeah. Hi, Swati. Yeah, you can just introduce yourself.
Yes. Hello, everyone. My voice is very slow, so this is my first live, and people who are celebrating Holi today. First of all, happy Holi, and myself, I'm living in Columbia, South Carolina, USA, and I have two daughters. They are very good. They are supportive, and my husband is also supportive. And basically, I'm doing small business, that is food business. So I do myself, and after that, one day I got this opportunity through my mentor Vasavi, and she used to push me like, this is the business where you want to like. If you want, I choose this business because of myself. I want freedom, and I'm the person like. Um, I hope this business is good for me, and everyone is supportive. My coach and my mentor, all people are supporting me. And right now, I am in training, so this is my first and wonderful experience with this business. Thank you all.
Yeah. So that is so true. Thank you, all of you. You all have shared your beautiful thoughts about this. You've just been here for about, just a couple of weeks and months, and then you could see that little bit of that transformation. You could see that change. You could, talk about how the training is, how the support, it can be a mentor, a coach support, or it can be a good community support, because, the training that we have is, it's like a step-by-step video-based training that, anybody, even the brand new person who don't know, even proper English, are able to do this business very, very successfully. It's all because of our training, and the training is in our multiple languages that you can just do that. It's not just, in English. You can just have in your own language. That's the beauty of the beauty of this business, right? And then, yeah, we have people, totally at different backgrounds with no experience. It can be, no business background, not a techie savvy. And we have people like that who have been phenomenally doing this business very well. And, so all of you here, like Swati, Sunita, Chandana, Sudha, right? How do you guys feel about this training? And, you know, um, do you feel it is like doable? And, I know, uh, can you guys share it with your thoughts, even without that step, even without your support? Of course, you all have that support, right? But even without that, is it something that it's doable for you guys? How do you feel about the training that we have inside?
I can say that it's very comprehensive. Like, anybody can do it, just giving the time and effort to it. So it's very simple. Anybody, even without any, knowledge about any business that they have, they don't have to be doing any business as such. I mean, anybody can, just take a stab on it.
Right. That is so true. So, Chandana, Swati, Sunita, what do you guys?
Training.
Because you guys just joined recently, right? Just
Yes.
the weeks back.
I really like the training part, very clear, and each and every step that we can work on all by ourselves. If we get stuck, also we have a wonderful teammates and the coach as well as mentor. My mentor is Vasavi. She's extraordinary. She always be there to help me. Where even there is no time, even like whatever the time I text her, she immediately respond me, and so that I don't want to wait, I no need to wait and stop my work there. I can just continue my work with little help. That's that wonderful support I have found here in this business. The environment, always we look for the environment, work environment, and that was very wonderful in this business. I can say at this minute I'm still under training, and that makes me to move to forward and still work on the things better and achieve the goals.
Yeah,
Thank you.
absolutely. So, do you feel that you have need to do this business with the fixed timings, or you just do it, as and when you like?
Very flexible. I'm like I can fix like couple of hours in the morning, and whenever I get the free time, I can just work on the training things. I setting up my business and everything.
Right.
That flexibility of work gives
Yeah.
more freedom,
Right.
where you can do better. That helps
Right.
me better. Yeah.
Right. So initially, we are just going to, just setting up takes a little bit of time. Maybe, there are people who have set up their business in a week or two. But once it is done, you can just, work on your phone wherever you are. If your job, so all of us are here have done our jobs, right? Right. I'm in IT. Sudha was in IT, and Latika was in fashion designer, and now, Swati has her own business of, catering, and then Chandana was in IT, and Sunita was in HR background, Vasavi was in HR background with MBA with a gold medalist, and we have so many people with different backgrounds with, you know, so we are still can fit in, right, to do this business, whatever the time that you have. Because the only thing is the consistency is the key, right? Whether you put that 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours, that consistency is very important for us to move forward. Because, I have seen other business that I have done. I have put a lot of my time, effort, business, spent thousands and thousands of dollars. But here I have just gone with my, I started with the lowest level when my husband was very, was hospitalized at the time with the surgeries and all. That's when I started. But I could when I could spend that couple of minutes that time and could be very successful, anybody can do it in this business, right? Putting that, it's because you don't have, like, it's not a job, you have a fixed hours, and sometimes a good job, you have to go beyond your working hours to do that. More like 9 to 5. But here we have that flexibility. That is the beauty of this business. The What I have seen in this business, what I have seen in other businesses, and what made me very successful in this businesses than others is because one of the business that I was involved, they asked about 18K for just for 3 weeks. I don't even know mentorship. Besides buying the courses, right? And besides doing training by myself with no support, right? When I asked for the mentorship, that is what they said. It's a huge amount, and I don't even know I get the returns back. But here, just with that, all of you, like me, you have watched the webinar, you have taken that next step, you just have, paid 114, you explored the business, you jumped in because knowing the fact you have explored everything, because you are not just going to just jump in into the business without knowing anything, right? You knew in and out of this business before you could jump into this business, right? Right? There's a process that you have followed. You learned everything because it's very transparent. The process is very, very transparent. You follow that process. If it's something that you like, you just be part of it. If it doesn't like, hey, no worries. You have 30 days money back guarantee. It's been refund to you back. So there's no loss for anybody. At least you have tried your best, right? So all of you who have been watching here, and if you're still sitting on the fence, whether it's a legitimate business or it is doable, is there a support in this, with so many questions, just go through, just watch that webinar, just take that next step and see for yourself is something that it is doable. Otherwise, you have, right, 30 days money back guarantee that would be refunded back to you guys. Okay, you have nothing to lose and we have everything to gain. And yeah, that's why, because I've explored everything, I know how other businesses work and how this business is working, and still they're in this business for the past 2.5 years here. So yeah, if it's something you guys resonates with what we have said, you all can welcome to join us, and we'll be happy to have you and help you out to succeed in this business. So yeah, with this, we'll just come back again with our regular, Q&A session from next week onwards. We just want to come here and just introduce ourselves. It's been quite a long with all our new team members. And then, yeah, thank you so much for watching us. Whoever is watching us live and whoever is going to watch this replay, really appreciate for taking this time and then watching us. Thank you, guys. We'll get back to you guys again next week. There was nothing, we just want to come back, just casually, just introduce and then just talk. It's been so long. So, yeah. Anything you guys want to say to our audience watching?
Yes, we are real people, and we have a lot of fun working. It doesn't feel like we are working.
Yeah.
That is, yes, I'm sure everybody would agree with me. So, like Supriya said, that there's no harm in trying. You pay $149 for 30 days, which is fully refundable. If it resonates with you, do try it. There's no.
All right, guys. So with this, thank you so much. We'll come back and see you guys next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you,
Bye.
everyone. Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, once again, happy Holi to everybody celebrating.
Hey, happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Slowly.
Happy Holi.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Guys.
Bye.